Greetings. Let's go ahead and get started here. Today we're going to do a quick lesson on a tune-up for Firefox. Now this is going to speed up the Firefox internet browser, and this is if you have a broadband connection. You can tweak these to make things increase the speed, but be aware that this is for broadband connections. Most people have that today, but if you have dial-up, it may not affect your speed. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started here. Please notice I have the Firefox browser open. I have a single tab open. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a second tab. That's two blank tabs within the Firefox program. And I'm going to copy and paste this web address up here into this browser window and click enter. This will take us to Stepcase LifeShack, the coolest Firefox tricks ever. This is where you can find the step-by-step procedure that we're going through right now. It starts on step number 12 and it continues on down through step number 14. What this is going to do is it's going to allow us to speed up your browser. And if you follow along here, you want to go to your blank tab now. Now you can use these tabs interchangeably to copy and paste the information, but I would like you also to take notes. The reason I want you to take notes, for one, is practice. Two is it gets you familiar and more comfortable with copying, pasting, and transferring data between two programs. This is very good practice for you to work with. Anyway, let's go ahead and go here. The very first thing in the Firefox window that you need to go up to the address bar, and you need to type in about config. I'm just going to paste it here, and you hit enter. Now, you should get this warning up. This might void your warranty, changes advanced settings, or harmful to the stability, security, and performance of this application. You should only continue if you are sure of what you are doing. Show this warning next time. I'll be careful, I promise. Now, please be aware of this. What you need to do is you need to copy and paste some of this stuff, which is why I have it open in my WordPad, but it's also a good idea for you to practice writing this stuff out. Now, network pipelining. What we're going to do is you need to copy that. Now notice once I typed in the about config here, it opened up a filter window. You want to paste this or type this into the filter window. network.http.pipelining. Please notice I've made the changes. It says here, double click on them, set them to true. So network pipelining right here is set to true. Pipelining max request you want to set to 8, and you want network pipelining set to true. And then the next step is copy and paste this, or just type it up here in your filter bar. And it is, go here, copy, hit Control V, and you want this. It says create a new integer. Please notice it's already up here. But if you right click on the windows, which I've covered in other lessons, you want to click on new, you want to click on integer, and from there you would paste in nglayout.initialPaint.delay, click OK, set it to 0, and there you have it right here. Okay, that covers speeding up Firefox. Now we're going to cut down to limiting your browser cache, which again is going to have the same effect of speeding some things up for you. You want to copy and paste or type this into your filter, and this is browser.cache.disk.capacity. You want to set that by double clicking. It should be 50,000 to start with, and you want to change that to 15,000 depending upon how much RAM you have on the computer. This will make a difference. If you go too high, you're going to cheat yourself out of more speed. So 15,000 is probably appropriate for most computers. If you have more RAM, it will allow your computer to run faster. To reduce RAM even further, you want to right-click anywhere, and you want to click on boot lean, and I'll demonstrate that here real quick. You want to click new, click on boot lean, and in this bar you want to paste or type config.trim_on_minimize, click OK. Now from here you also want to paste it into the filter window. Now please notice it says config trim on minimize. It is now set to false. You want to set it to true. You reset it by double clicking, and then you close the browser. Once you've done that and you restart the browser, it will make things quicker. This concludes this lesson on speeding up Firefox. Please keep tuning into my video lessons. Please use the tools that I'm introducing you to. Use your Paint program and use your WordPad program. They're there to give you the advantage of not only learning your tools, but to become very good with the basic tools in Windows to make you a better and more effective Windows user. Thanks and have a great day.